101.1 Smart FM Makassar KG Radio Network. Hi, good evening, smart listener. Welcome back again to Smart Up Your Life. Grab your confidence in speaking English with me, Rifa Majid. And this program is our English learning program in collaboration with BPEC Makassar. Well, tonight, as usual, I'm not alone because I have one, two, three, four friends from BPEC Makassar. Hi, guys.
Hi,
Hello.
How
hello.
are you?
Great.
Great. Amazing.
So happy to see you tonight. Welcome to our studio.
Yes.
And yes, this program is collaboration program with BPEC Makassar, and my friends from BPEC will be with you, smart listener, during this airing program. But before I tell you what topic will we talk this night, let them introduce themselves to you. I have Fikri here. Hi, Fikri. How are you? I can hear your voice. Okay. Nah,
Okay, check.
yes.
I'm
That's
very
good.
great tonight.
Okay. Welcome back again to Smart
Yeah.
Up Your Life. And also I have Mr. Diaz.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm well, great.
Great.
Yeah.
You look so colorful tonight.
Yeah, exactly.
Shine.
Thank you.
Shining. And also I have Nahui. Hi Nahui. How are
Hello,
you?
Ka. Feeling like $1 billion. Just try to be different.
All right. And last but not least, hi Ro.
Hi,
What's up?
I'm fine and
Okay.
good.
I hope you can give me an the long answer actually of your condition today. What's going on your day?
The day is really quiet and good.
I'm good. Okay. Very simple. Well, guys, thank you so much for coming, and also, smart listener, you can join with us tonight. Talk about some topic that very what how to say
Interesting.
interesting, and also this based on the latest issue
Yeah.
that I know that you have ever experienced it before.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. If you are the student of university, yeah,
Yeah.
I think you have felt this way before.
Yeah.
What is that?
What is that? Well, our topic tonight is about something that sometimes and usually, and I think it's a must.
Yeah,
It's a
exactly.
must to do, and when we enter the new season or new school academic year
Mhm.
in university or even in the school, let's say ospek in our tradition.
Yes.
Ospek. So what else in Indonesian language? In bahasa
In bahasa, we can also say pengkaderan.
pengkaderan,
Yes.
terus perpeloncoan.
Yes.
What else?
Common thing. What else?
The words, maybe 3 words. Masa orientasi siswa.
Ah,
Oh,
yeah,
yes.
mos.
Mos, yeah.
Most.
And now, because of the pandemic, the orientation or student orientation held by virtual,
Oh,
right?
cannot believe it.
How,
still
how
cannot
does
believe
it
it.
feel?
New way.
New way.
New
this
way.
this the new normal style, right? And well, tonight we are going to discuss about the virtual orientation phenomenon, which is very common in nowadays, and
Yes.
I think every schools, every university doing this way to introduce the academic how the academic tradition of the institution,
Nice.
right? And smart listener, you can join with us talking about this topic, and you can share your experience about the student orientation in the new school year in your university, or maybe you have some experience that you never forget
Oh.
experience about the student orientation itself. But
Okay.
before We are going to talk more about this. You can join with us on WhatsApp 0811461011 and also you can clearly see our face
Hello.
on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Just write down your comment
Okay.
if you have something to tell us and if you have something to ask
Okay.
about this topic. Well, guys, in your opinion, what is the definition of orientation, student orientation?
Okay, maybe Kak Diaz first.
Always me. Okay, it's okay.
Because you're the youngest one.
The youngest one.
Am I?
Sarcasm.
Am I? Yes.
I think so.
I am. Yes, I am. Okay, thank you. Thank you for this chance. Very formal.
You need time to think.
Very formal.
Okay.
Okay. For me, in my opinion, student orientation is actually how to introduce the environment, the atmosphere of the schools, peoples there, like students, new friend, lecturer, and others people there. And the most important, actually, we must be to adaptation there, because that is very important. That's why the aim of the orientation. That's why this is the aim of orientation, to know everything about the situation there.
Yes.
Yeah, something like that.
Based on Google,
Yeah.
based on Uncle Google say that
Yeah.
the orientation is some way
Mm-hmm.
to know,
To know. Yeah.
where we are and like the direction.
Mhm. Yeah.
That's what Google tell me.
Mhm.
And so, what about your opinion, Fikri?
Okay, so before I give my opinion about what is orientation to me, before I read in Wikipedia said that orientation is actually the way campus introduces the mechanism of the campus, introduces the activities that always the campus does, and also improve the students' insight, knowledge by giving them materials, something like that. But in my opinion, right now people are getting abuse the function of orientation itself, because as I said before, what I wrote from Wikipedia, it's just orientation is just about improving their knowledge, or to know about what their campus always does. And then right now we can see people or the seniors in campus always do like the things that different from what the main purpose of orientation itself, like snap the fresh students, like give bad things, show bad things to the fresh students, or like the most common thing is that make a chaos affair in front of in front of fresh student itself, that they think that it will enhance the mentality of the fresh students itself. In my opinion, these things, the way the seniors in almost every campus in Indonesia, is actually not really bad and also not really good, because according to my experience, when I was in school, I always be a senior as well and also a junior. When I was be a junior, I always like disrespect my senior, and so do when I was in my senior. When I was senior, my junior sometimes didn't respect me as a senior. So that is why seniors right now want to give these things, like they think that they want to snap every fresh students, is because they want to teach the fresh student itself what is politely, how to be polite in people who came before you, or people who are older than you, because this is one of our cultures in Indonesia. So this is actually not really far from the what the main purposes of the orientation itself, because in orientation, one of purposes in orientation itself to uh, teach about to give insights from the students. So by giving them like uh, s- uh, bold thing or loudly voice to the fresh students, they want to teach the fresh students to always respect your older people, even though maybe you think that you are superior than them, you are you have a best privilege than them, but at least you have to respect them. But the things that that I kind of disagree with the seniors, sometimes they are doing too much.
Oh,
Like
all right.
they do